So I was standing, literally standing when the baby went out. I was not able to get into the pool.
Hello, mommies! Kabayo ko, excited kayo mo. You're all excited to hear Mommy Tere's water birth story. Yes, she is really a superwoman. Imagine from being a breastfeeding angel, breastfeeding advocate na tumutulong sa bawat nanay na may mga problema sa kanilang breastfeeding. Eto na, ayan, pinatunayan niya talaga ang kanyang mga superpowers through her water birth sa kanyang 5th child. Tama po ba, Mami Tere? 6th child! Imagine, 6th child, pero water birth yan. So, ayan na nga, you can see her. It's Mami Tere! Hi! Sixth baby, water birth pag yun. And how old are you, Mami Tere?
39.
Oh, wala jud na sa edad mga mommies ha, naagid na sa imuhang lawas and sa imuhang mind, 'di ba? Mami Tere, tama ba? So excited na mi Mami Tere. Nabasa na ako for sure ang mga mommies nabasa nila ang kato imuhang water birth nga sharing sa imong post sa imong Facebook. But we want to hear your voice mismo and we want to hear your reaction. Siyempre, as you share that, murag, di ba, ma-feel po nimo tong pain, ma-feel po nimo ang happiness. So, gusto na ko makita na right from you now, yun po kung saan na. So, let's start. I believe, Mami Tere, you had a client, a breastfeeding mom, before you actually felt your tummy, your belly, your baby bump na sumasakit na. So, how did it happen?
Actually, me, prior to that, nakaka-feel na ako ng surges. Like, as early as 4 p.m., nafe-feel ko na siya. Sabi ko, ay, baka nag-move lang siya. Because, yun nga, ang isip ko, it's just 37 weeks and 1 day. So, sabi ko, it's too early. This could not be happening.
Actually, same kay Yana. Ganyan din. 37 days and 1 day.
O,
Ay,
diba?
37 weeks and 1 day.
Yes. Tumungtong lang talaga siya sa pagiging full term. So anyway, 4 o'clock, hindi ko siya pinapansin. And then I have a scheduled Zoom meeting with a mom who needs help regarding breastfeeding. So nakaschedule siya at 6 o'clock. So mga 5:15, nagpe-prepare na ako. Tapos, sabi ko, parang tumutuloy-tuloy. Sabi ko na sa mister ko pa, tumutuloy-tuloy na yung nararamdaman ko. Nagko-contract na siya. And sabi niya, okay, kaya mo pa? Gusto mo ba i-install ko na yung pool? Sabi ko, mamaya pa siguro to. Sabi ko, tapos kinakausap ko lang siya, baby, mamaya pa ha, meron pa tayong tutulungang nanay. So, yon. And then, mga 6:30 kami nag-start ni Mommy Bev. Habang kino-coach ko siya on how to manage breastfeeding, medyo sumasakit-sakit na talaga. Sabi ko, nagpo-pause na akong gano'n. Mommy, saglit lang ha. So, i-inhale lang ako. Gaganon lang ako. Tapos, nung malapit na kaming matapos, mga past 7 na, tumatayo na ako. Binibitbit ko na yung phone ko. Tapos, gumaganon na ako. Tapos, may time na nagpo-push up on the wall na ako. Hawak ko lang yung kamay ko. Nakaganon na ako sa wall. Kaganyan na ako. Sabi ko, parang iba na talaga to. Ayan na talaga siya. Tapos sabi ko, dali lang baby, hindi pa tayo tapos. Tapos, yun. At 7:30, natapos kami ni Mommy Bev. Tapos yung mister ko naman, sabi niya, kakain na tayo. Dinner na. So, nag-dinner pa kami. First time ko nag-dinner or kumain ng full meal prior to giving birth that I never had done before sa kanilang 5. Kasi, ayoko ng, mas feeling ko may energy ako kung hindi ako nakakain. However, the last meal I had was, I think 1 o'clock. So, it's already 7:30. So, kumain ako. I had a sumptuous meal and mga 8 o'clock, kumakapit na akong ganun din sa bilis namin. Doon ako kumain sa receiving area. Kumakapit na akong ganyan. Sabi ko, eto na talaga siya. Hindi na talaga ito papapigil. So, yung mister ko nagmamadali ng kumain. Sabi ko, i-install niyo na yung yung pool. Sabi ko, pupuntahan ko si Doc. Sasabihan ko siya na nafe-feel ko na and all ganyan. So, yun, nilakad ko papunta kina Doc. His house is just like 2 houses away from ours. So, lakad ko lang, nandun lang siya sa kanan ko pagkakwento. Doc, naninigas na Doc. Medyo nagko-contract na. Hinawakan niya ganyan. Ay, matagal pa yan. Kasi yung niya, yung contractions niya dito pa lang eh. That's past 8 o'clock. Siguro mga 8:10. So, yun. Tapos, bumalik ako dito sa bahay. Iba na talaga yung surges. Yung tipong, God, gumagano ako. Tapos low tone na yung ko, yung moaning ko. Nagmo-moan na ako. Gumaganyan na ako. Tapos, maya't maya, bumabalik na ako sa CR. Sabi ko, nawiwiwi ako, napupupa ko, nagaganto ako. Balik-balik na. Hanggang sa mga 8:25, dumating si Doc. Sabi niya, kaya pa, mag-squat ka lang. Sabi ko, Doc, I don't feel like squatting. I don't feel like squatting. So, nasa wall lang ako, nakatayo lang ako. Ganyan. Hanggang sa naman, I always listen to my body. That's what I do. So, when I feel like I want to stand up, I would stand up. When I feel like I want to sit down, or, I'll do my what you call this, my squat, then I'll do that. Pero during the time, I don't feel like squatting yet. So, yun. Now, hanggang sa naging intense na yung surges during the time. Tapos, inaantay ko kasi yung matagal eh. Kasi 'di ba sa books, and sabi rin ng mga na dapat prolonged contraction. Ang akin hindi prolonged. Like, ang pinakamahaba niya na ay 30 seconds. Pero, ang interval niya ay 30 seconds. Hanggang sa nagiging 20 seconds interval na lang, sabi ko, iba na talaga to. Ayun. Pinipigil-pigilan ko, sabi ko, baby, hindi pa tapos hindi pa napupuno yung pool. hindi pa umiinit yung tubig, hindi pa ganyan. So, yun. 7:45, sabi ni Doc. 8:45, sabi ni Doc. Sabi niya, uwi muna ako kasi matagal pa yan. Kasi hindi pa tumitigas yung pinakataas eh. So, kumbaga, pag yung pinakataas ang tumigas, yun na yung sign na malapit na talaga. Okay, Doc. Yun. Nung nakalabas siya ng gate, pasok ako sa banyo, and then, nag-surge. So, sabi ko, gumagano na ako. Bigla na lang pumutok nag-release yung bag of water.
Bag of water.
Yes. Pag-release ng membrane, lakad na ako. Kasi nafe-feel ko na talaga, andyan na yung head niya. Nafe-feel ko na talaga. Lakad na ako dito. And then my doula, si Ray Davis, I was just chatting with her. Tapos sinabi ko na sa kanya na, tawagan mo na lang sa messenger si Ray. Sabi ko doon sa eldest ko. Kasi dapat mag-zoom kami so that she can record everything. So, walang recording nangyari. Tapos, pag tawag kay Ray, nandito na ako, nasa gilid na ako ng pool. And then the pool is not yet ready. The water is not yet warm. It's not yet warm. Sabi ko, Ray, the head is here. Sabi ko, the baby is coming out. Sabi niya, okay. Gumana lang si Ray. She's very soft-spoken. Okay.
Siguro pinakalma ka lang din niya. Diba? Pinakalma ka.
I was calm all along.
Okay.
I was calm all along. And then, she's like that. The doulas are like that. So, okay. How do you feel like doing it now? Sabi ko, it's here. Sabi ko na lang dun sa mister ko, pa, pumunta ka sa likod ko, tulungan mo ako kasi baka mag-slip off yung baby. sa kamay ko. So, I was standing, literally standing when the baby went out. I was not able to get into the pool. Yung nakita nyo na nasa pool was after I gave birth to the placenta. I was instructed by my doulas and the virtual midwife, si Miss Barbara Harper, na, okay, you can get into the pool. It's not yet late. You can still experience it. And then the baby will still feel like she's inside your tummy.
Wait lang, tama ba? You were standing beside the pool paglabas ni Pramiti.
Exactly.
I-catch ni mo sa imong kamot?
Yes. I was
Ang
the one
head
who
part.
got her. The head.
So,
Until
si husband ni mo na nasa back ni mo?
He was just behind me to support if ever hindi ko makatch.
Okay.
Kasi pag labas ng ulo and lumabas na yung shoulders, diretso na yung labas ng baby eh. So, luckily, sa akin lang talaga siya nagpahawak paglabas niya. So, yun. Pagkuha kong ganun sa kanya, saka pa dumating si Doc.
Pero nasa pool ka na pagdating ni Doc. Nandun ka na sa pool.
Saka pa dumating si Doc. So, yun.
Ayan. Pero na-enjoy niyo pa.
Na ako.
Yung placenta, nandun pa sa loob. Si Doc na lang nag-assist palabas. Tama ba?
No. Wala siyang ginawa. He was just there to look after us. Actually, he tried to wipe off. He tried to, the normal thing that the doctors are trained to do pag may nanganak. Sabi ko, Doc, it's okay. Doc, it's okay. sabi rin ng aking doula, sabi, is he trying to pull off the cord? Tapos sabi ni Doc, para lang makalabas yung placenta. No, tell him not to do that. Gawa ganun. Tell him not to do that.
Oo nga, di ba? Siyempre kasi may mga, kumbaga may mga natural na proseso na parang gusto natin muna natin yung placenta, picturean mo muna. Di ba na-picturean mo, Mami Tere, na naka-attach pa siya sa placenta? Gusto ko yan, Mami Tere. And aside from that, syempre, yung unang yakap mo, yung unang dede niya sa'yo, di ba lahat yun, nakita mo, na picturean mo, ayan, and it's still very fresh, hindi lang sa isip mo, but sa husband mo rin, at saka sa mga siblings ni Pramiti, di ba, Mami Tere?
Yeah.
Pero, eto, Mami Tere, question lang, kailan mo naisipan na, gusto ko ng water birth, at bakit ganun yung gusto mong proseso ng pagpanganak mo sa 6th baby?
Sabi, di ba we never expected that I will be pregnant this year. Unexpected talaga to. Now, I learned about my pregnancy, I think 18 weeks 18 weeks on the way na ako. So, too late for me. Pero, even before, way before, whenever I talk to mom, sabi nila, Mommy, do you still want to get to have a baby? Sabi ko, I have no plans, but if ever, I would want to have a water birth. It will be my dream birth. Gumaganon na ako. So, nung nalaman kong buntis ako, I really worked out para sa katuparan yung dream birth.
Law of attraction talaga, Mami Tere, no? Pag gusto mo yung isang bagay, isip-isipin mo, gawin mo syempre kung ano yung dapat mag-match yung vibrations mo sa gusto mo. Tama, di ba?
Actually, Mami Ara, just to share with you, no? What happened was, August was my first prenatal checkup. I went to Mercy Maternity Clinic. I went there. I told them about my birth plan. They were actually very supportive about my birth plan. And it's just that may mga mandates kasi ang Department of Health na hindi sang-ayon sa kung anong gusto ko. So, I had my prenatal checkup with them. Tapos, sabi nila, this is your 6th baby. And in fact, hindi ka na pwedeng tanggapin sa mga lying in. However, looking at you are you are very healthy and all, wala kang risk and all, then we can allow you to give birth here. Pero hindi pwede sa bahay because hineads up na nila ako baka pwedeng magkaroon ng hemorrhage and all. Nga daw, sixth baby na. So sabi ko, naku, parang medyo lumalabo. So when they told me about that, that was actually my during my October visit. Sinabi nilang ganun na mahirap na talaga. Lalo na sa sitwasyon ng COVID, hindi daw talaga nila papayagan ng home birth. So, balik na naman ako kay Nanay Ines. Nanay Ines, ganito na naman po, parang back to zero. But I don't feel like I'm going to give up. I don't feel like I'm gonna, nung sinabi nilang ganon, makakrush ako. No. I know God has plans.
And isa pa, di ba, Mami Tere, ikaw mismo sa imuhang body, makabalumang ka sa imuhang strengths and sa imuhang weaknesses. Makabalo ka kung kaya nimo o dili nimo kaya. Ma-feel na nimo, di ba? We just have to listen to our body.
I do meditation. So, kumbaga, nandun yung focus. That's why it's easy for me to attain or it's easy for me to get my goal. To achieve my goal.
Mami Tere, thank you so much for your time, for sharing everything gikan sa imong water birth experience hangtod sa imong future plans. Thank you so much for trusting me na diri nimo na siya gina-reveal sa ato ang vlog dito sa ating very special, one of the most special vlogs na I am going to produce or I am producing dito sa ating YouTube channel. Daghan kaayong salamat, Mami Tere. Ayan, para sa mga mommies nga nagtanaw karon, if you have questions about Mami Tere regarding water birth, you are free to comment below or you can also message Mami Tere sa kanyang social media pages. That's Touched by Tere on Instagram and on Facebook. Ayan. And Mami Tere, ulat na gyud namo ang imuhang YouTube channel pod para ikaw na mismo ang maghatod, ana.
So, we'll get there.
Ayan. Mami Tere, thank you so much. And sa mga mommies, until our next episodes, bye!
Bye!